Yeah guys, so welcome back. So in this video what we are going to do, we are going to add our active directory with the ISE. So we will go to the identity management, administration, identity management, and there is external identity source. So we will come here and we'll go to the active directory. All right, and we'll add our active directory from here, and we will just give one name, AD. So this is the test environment. I'm giving the test. You can give the name as you desire. Okay, test.lab. Okay, so store name. Okay, so now this is i01.test.lab. Okay, so here we need to give the administrator user NIST RATR and the administrator password. Make sure this username password is correct. Yeah, so we have successfully joined the AD. Uh, since our ICE and AD time zone is the same, so our AD is joined successfully. If your AD and your ICE time zone is not same, then it will throw you the error and you need to resolve that error while configuring the NTP server, or just making sure that you have correct time zone configured on the both of the devices. All right, so now we have successfully add our active directory here. This is it from this video. In next video we will create some users, local users, and yeah, one thing more. So let's go here in the identity sequence source and create our own sequence. Okay, all right, so what we will do, we will first authentication will be AD, our AD, and if AD fails, then we have the internal users authentication. And make sure that you select this option, treat as if the user was not found, and proceed to the next store in the sequence. So in the sequence we have first the AD test and then the internal user. So if you will not add this if you will not select this option, then it will not go to your next authentication sequence store. All right, so you need to save this one, make sure. All right, so our this name is not correct here, so now yeah, it will be saved now. So okay, so here we need to do the few settings. Okay, lower alpha case lowercase alphabetic characters, we need to uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck this is fine. Username or its character in the reverse order, this should be, this setting you should be the same. Okay, because if you have this setting, then the authentication will not going to be happen. All right, and what else we have to do here? Okay, for now I'm not creating the users, network access user, but this is the option where you can create your local username and password. for the ISE. Okay, so along with this, I remember for the lab what we do, we go in the system and settings, and we go to the protocol and the radius, and we need to disable few settings from here. Suppress repeated failed clients, this we need to uncheck. Suppress repeated successfully authentication, this we need to uncheck and save, right? So these are the settings mandatory while you are going to configure. It depends on your production environment what you want it to do for, but for now we want to keep it simple, so that's why. So here I tell you one more thing. Our this node has the administration, monitoring, and policy services node enabled because uh, we are using the single node right now. So in the later videos I will add an other machine of the ISE, and we will distribute these roles, some of for this one and this ISE, and some of for the our secondary node, or you can call I02, right? And I will also tell you the function of all these. So thank you very much guys, this is it from this video.